everyone, welcome back to RachandBellaCrafts. Rachel here. I hope you're all well. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I put my signatures together. I will probably do it on a bit of a fast playthrough, but just so that you can kind of get a bit of an idea of the process that I use, my umming and ahhing maybe. Before I start putting my signature together, I tend to group my papers into you know, the different types of paperwork. So here are the ones that I want in this specific signature. I've got one of these ones that we did with the printing and the coffee dye. I've put one of the kit pages onto the back of that, and I've got another of the kit pages here. I've also got then here one of the paint splattered ones that I did. Don't know what the technical term for that is, but they're paint splattered. I've got a lot of coffee dye papers here because I want the signatures to be predominantly coffee dye papers, because it leaves us lots of room then to add lots of exciting things. And then here I've got a selection then of writing paper. I've got something with a bit of artwork on, and a ledger paper. And then finally what I will be adding then at the end will be a few of the pages from this lovely Alice in Wonderland book. Okay, so I hope you enjoy watching my process. that's my 3 signatures mostly put together now. Bit of a and ahhing over what to do with the stuff from the Stamperia pad, but I think I've settled on where I'd like those now. And I don't know if you noticed in the video there, but this is actually the back page of the pad. Of a different kit. This is from the Time Stamperia kit, but I really love this page and I just thought that's such a waste. So I'm going to add a tuck spot onto the back of that, which I will stick down, and that'll be a nice little pocket in there. We've still got a bit of the trim on the outside, and then we've got all that gorgeousness in the middle, because all those lovely roses are in there. So these will just need to be cut down to size. Once I've, you know, finalised everything and made sure that I'm really happy with it. I love this page here in the centre. So obviously I don't know if you can see that I'm trying to do a signature for like each section of the book. So, you know, the first signature will be you know, the beginning of the story, Alice following the White Rabbit and her drinking to shrink and grow and shrink and all the other stuff that goes on. That's all going to be in this one. And then this one here then is Cheshire Cat and the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. And then this one here then will be, you know, meeting the Queen of Hearts and, you know, towards the end of the story then. So I quite like that that page there is actually in the centre. I know I'm going to have to cut this down slightly to get it to fit neatly, but that's okay, we can sort that out. So what I've got left to add in now are just some pages from the actual book that we've got here. So again, I've taken a quick selection out of the ones that I feel are relevant. So I've got the first page here from chapter 1. The drawings that were on the pages, I have managed to rub quite a few of them out with a pencil rubber, so I'm hoping that they should be okay. So I've got this one here for the chapter 1, so I'm going to put that in the first signature. Oh, I've turned these the wrong way round over. There we go. And then there's this one here as well, this little jolly picture of the rabbit with his little gloves. I haven't rubbed this out because I thought that was quite sweet actually, where it's been coloured in. And who knows how long that's been on there, so I thought that was a nice bit of ephemera to have there. And then I've got an image here of the original cat. Nothing at all like the one we all have grown to love and know in the Disney film, might I say. He's quite scary. But yeah, so I thought I'd pop that in because he was quite mysterious, wasn't he? And then we've also then got this is obviously a section then from the Mad Hatter's Tea Party, and a little bit of the banter that was going on there between Alice and the Hatter. And then another picture there then of the March Hare. And then this one here is Who Stole the Tarts? So that's the chapter for that there, so I thought that could go in the last signature as well. So I'm going to add these in, and I'm going to be really careful about the way that I fold these. But I also need to just cut off the edges on them as well before I do that. So they will go in here, and then our signatures will be pretty much done then. And then in the next video, I will start to add things to the signatures. Now, binding the journal, I am going to use elastic to bind my journals, bind the signatures rather, and I'm going to put eyelets into the cover. As I did actually in my last journal, and I've got to be honest, I found that whole process so much easier, especially with something like this where there's going to be a lot of things going in and out. I haven't built the cover yet because I want to see how big the signatures are going to be so that it's comfortable in there, because I think we're going to need quite a wide spine, because looking at that already, and there's like nothing in there yet. So I mean, you know, we're going to be talking a few inches there, I think, across the spine. So I just want it to be comfortable in there and not to be, you know, a bit of a crocodile mouth. So yeah, so you guys all go and get your signatures sorted and ready, and then in the next video then we will start putting our things in. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're well, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't mind giving me a like and leaving a comment, and we'll be back with you very soon with another one. Take care now. Bye.